Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be filming a pack with me because I'm going on a very short trip to Ontario. I don't know why I decided to film this, but for content's sake, so I'll be showing you guys how I'll be packing my box, my suitcase, and then yeah, that's pretty much all for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, you can go ahead and like and subscribe. And yeah, without much talking, let's just start this video. I'm going to start by putting my pants into this box, in fact everything into this box, and then I have little pouches that I'll put certain things inside. Fantastic. 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 So this is how the box is looking now. I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering why I'm packing it like this. I saw this method on YouTube and I decided to try it, which is the rolling method. You just roll it and arrange them in like a straight line instead of like the regular way where you just put them like on top of each other. It just looked really nice when I watched the video, so I was like, okay, I'm just going to try that method and see. So this is pretty much all my clothes. So I have like all the bottoms here, the tops, and I have more tops in my carry-on. I'm going to put my shoes in this small section. For my shoes, I don't have any pouch to put my shoes in, unfortunately, so I have to just put my shoes in the bag like that. I don't feel good about it, but I don't have anywhere else to put my shoes, so I have. Fantastic. This is a hustle. Like, I don't know how I'm going to get my shoes or all of them in here. Like, I have to. Fantastic. Or yeah, I think for this and my Air Forces, I think I'll just put this over and put my shoes on top and then close it so that my clothes don't get dirty. Yes, that'll be what we will do. Over here, I'm going to pack my I'm going to pack the things I used to lay my wig over here. Yes, and that will be tomorrow because I'll be installing my wig tomorrow, so afterwards I can just put the stuff here. Yes, I think that's all for now. My carry-on bag is pretty much packed, like there's nothing else in it, so I'm just going to move to the pouches and pack those ones. So these are the 3 pouches that I have. I'm going to show you guys how they all look because I really don't know where to put what. I put my makeup in here, not a lot, but I'm thinking of like rearranging them. Over here, I put my medicines, my supplements or whatever they're called in here, and I was just going to put my sponge. I'm going to put my sponge, deodorant, cream, and all that on this other side of this bag. Now for this bag, I don't really know what to put in here, because of how it is. Like, it's just like small spaces. It's like a makeup bag, but my makeup is not like a lot to fit like into all these tiny components. Like, can you guys see? It's just like small components for your makeup. I don't think that's what I was going for. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this, because my makeup is not even like a lot, so I can't really use this for anything. I'll just use this side, or I might not use this. What do you guys think? I don't know, because I still need a place for my underwear and stuff like that. So I was thinking of just putting them here. I think I'll just put them here. I'll just fold them in here. Oh, it can expand. So this is how the inside is looking. I just put my underwear, my hair bonnets, bras, socks inside this bag. I will put some jewelry on the side, jewelry on the side, because of like all the spaces that I have. That's it for this bag. For this bag, like I said, I still have my makeup in it, but the makeup crash more plenty. Like, I feel like this is just going to take space in my bag, because the makeup is not even a lot. So I mean, it makes sense. I'll just put them in here. So this bag is pretty much done. So the next thing that's going to go here is my slippers and then my jacket, and then that will be all for this side. And then I'll put my hair stuff in here, like I said, and then close it, put my shoes, and then done. I don't know, guys, I really don't know what I'm doing right now. I had a plan, but my plan is not really working out how I thought it was going to work out. Fantastic. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done with the packing. I still have a couple of things that need to go in, like my sponge and stuff, which will go in on Monday because I need to use them before I leave. But I'm going to show you guys how the bags are looking. I have a scale here and I just weighed my check-in bag and it's only 12.5 and the limit is 20 kg, so I know I'm under, but I want to buy like food stuff where I'm going, so I'm thinking of taking some stuff out so I can make space for those things when I buy them. So I'll just quickly show you guys how the bags ended up looking, and the video is gonna end here. Okay, so that is how the check-in bag is looking. I just put my jacket on top, my 2 pouches, and my carry-on has my towel, a couple of clothes for pictures and content stuff, and over there is the pink pouch that has my underwear and stuff. So guys, that's it. So these are my bag, that's my carry-on, my handbag, and that's my actual suitcase. Nothing fancy. Bag is from Bentley. All these bags are from Bentley. These two came together. This I bought a long time ago, in case you were wondering. Fantastic. 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 Fantastic.